Hi guys, welcome back to Queen's Yummy Paradise. Thank you for joining me once again. If this is your first time, thank you. I do hope you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you always get notified whenever I post a delicious yummy recipe, okay? And to my lovely subscribers, you know I love you. So guys, today's recipe it's on this lovely yummy egg fried rice, okay? So let's just get right into this, all right? For this recipe I'll be using my chicken, green peas, carrots, diced bell peppers, king prawns. I also have this roasted beef here, okay? My onion, garlic, sweet corn. Okay guys, so let's just start cooking. All right. So we're gonna boil our chicken first. I'm using my chicken thighs as well washed, as you can see. So you want to clean your chicken very properly, okay? Take out every part that is not supposed to be there, okay? So in this pot I'll be going in with a little um seasoning, okay? I'll also be, and the seasoning I put was this Cajun seasoning, all right? I'll also be adding 1 spoon of ginger, a little bit of cardamom, just about a teaspoon, okay? 1 tablespoon of dried thyme, 1 tablespoon of pepper flakes. I'll also be using 2 chicken bouillon cubes, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, and just a little bit of salt, like so, okay? So about a tablespoon of salt. So give that a stir. So add in a little water and allow this to cook for about 20 minutes. Okay, and guys, I almost forgot my onion, so I'll be putting in my onion right now. Okay, so when this is cooked, we'll be right back. For the next step, we'll go ahead and put in a little vegetable in oil into the frying pan and fry the chicken. Guys, can you see the chicken already looks delicious? All right. So now let's make our fried rice, okay? Please do not throw away your chicken oil, okay? So I'm just sieving out every residue from the oil. So I'll be using this oil to make my fried rice. So I'm adding in 5 eggs here. Remember, we're making egg fried rice. So scramble it like so. So once you get this consistency, you want to go in and add in your garlic and onion. Fry them together for about 1 minute, and then add in your curry powder, 1 tablespoon. Give that a stir and add in your diced carrots. And then go with your vegetables, okay? Those are green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and green and yellow bell pepper, guys. 1 tablespoon of pepper, no cube. So I'm gonna be using about 2 to 3 no cubes for this. So after that, I'll be going in with my green peas. You guys, please subscribe to the channel if you've not done so, and hit that thumbs up button. Okay, give this a thumbs up. Okay. All right, so I'm going in with sweet corn. You can see how colorful and delicious this looks, right? Yeah, so that's the prawns. So give this a stir and fry this for about 3 minutes. So now it's time to put in the rice, guys. So I already have parboiled my rice, so the rice is cooked, and I use my chicken stock to parboil it. Okay. Okay, guys, so give this a stir. And you want to fry this for about 5 to 6 minutes. Add in a little soy sauce, about 1 to 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. So now it's time to put in the roasted beef. Okay. Cover this for about 3 minutes, and guys, we're done. Okay, so just serve that deliciousness into your plates. Look at this, guys, just look at this. Okay, so you want to pair that with your chicken and you serve, guys. Thank you all for watching. I do hope you enjoyed this yummy recipe. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. I love your input so much. So until I come your way next time, keep being beautiful, keep being lovely. Okay, and God bless you. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.